What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Celestia, also known as TIA, which has pumped up near about 20% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at $14.60. So we're going to be looking at what is next for this crypto. Even though the market is down on the downside, Celestia has managed to pump up in value. So how high is it likely to go? Is it a crypto worth investing into in 2024? And if so, is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Should you wait for it to drop down? Or on the other hand, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its short-term and long-term prediction in 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I am going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Celestia, which is here in purple, at $12.87. And we can see the crypto is actually trading at a slightly higher value here in red at $14.56, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive. So this means an overall minimal increase in value is expected from Celestia over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should essentially be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially heading over just over $16 is what I'm expecting. However, do expect dips in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of red candles here and there, just like the last couple of hours here. But the overall outcome has been on the positive side, and that is what it's likely to repeat over the next 12 to 14 hours. Dips and peaks, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart here, next couple of days, again we've got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, in this case it is looking a little bit too steep guys, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason is looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks is going to keep going at that pace and in that direction over the next 7 to 8 days. However, that is not what I'm expecting. So essentially over the next week or so, I am expecting Celestia to have gone for an overall minimal drop in value. Trading just below $14 is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by mid to end of next week. So yes, it is likely to hit red days, but do also expect green days in between as well, up and down. But once again guys, just like the previous chart, the outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Sorry, the previous chart was positive, just over $16. That was the next 12 to 14 hours. But after that, it is likely to slowly start to dip down a little bit over the next week or so. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking a little bit skeptical. Obviously we have the blue line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the orange line is looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one is looking bearish. So what does this mean for Celestia? So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected. However, what I'm expecting is an overall increase in value. Reason is I'm expecting the crypto market to be moving towards a positive direction, going in a bullish side, meaning Celestia should also be heading towards the bullish side, heading to over $20 to $25 is what I'm expecting from the crypto over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. So late February, early March 2024. So towards the end of quarter one, we should be trading just above $25 is what I'm expecting. But again, is going to be a slow and steady increase in value, which makes it much more sustainable, and it is likely to stay at that price rather than crash back down. But like few projects are ongoing right now and that are trending, but I do believe that Celestia should go through or would go through a slow and steady increase in value, heading over $25 by the end of March. But if there are any major updates to that can have an impact on the value of Celestia, either in a positive or negative direction, I will let you guys know as soon as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator here and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are trading in the top tier level here, guys, meaning we are performing at its highest level that it's ever been. But do bear in mind this crypto has not been along for a long time, so its next target is obviously over the next couple of months break out from this zone and hit a new all-time high. But for those of you asking, is now the right time to buy it or is it time to sell it? Personally, guys, I'm not buying the crypto right now because it's pumped up quite a lot since it got launched. Let's have a look here. So it's pumped up nearly 600%, guys, since early November, and that is pretty late for me to invest into. Depends if you're into short term or long term. I am into long term. I will not be investing into it unless it drops to around $2 to $3. Then of course I will let you guys know if I do invest, but at the moment I'm not investing. And for those of you guys who are looking to sell and are on a profit, personally, yes, I would sell it right now, but I wouldn't. That's only if I'm on a profit, but I wouldn't sell all of it. If I had $1,000 invested into the crypto, I would take out about £400 to £500 or $400 to $500, taking about 50% and keep the remaining 50% invested into it, meaning I've taken out some profit and I've also got some investment, which in my opinion works both ways. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Celestia. We can also see here the trading volume has gone up by just about 60% in the last 24 hours, making it $460 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. It is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So yes, it is getting a lot of attention right now from both buyers and sellers point of view. So comment down below what is the highest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2024. Let me know, as I'm pretty intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and it means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.